Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to turn off a payment term in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, knowing how to manage and customize these settings is an important step in keeping your finances organized. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're inside, head to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. This opens your settings menu. From there, select All Lists. In the All Lists section, you'll find different categories like products, services, and payment terms. Scroll down and click on Terms. Here you'll see a list of all the payment terms you've set up in your account. Find the specific term you want to turn off. On the right side of that term, click the small drop-down menu. From the options, choose Make Inactive. This will deactivate the term without deleting it, so you can bring it back later if needed. QuickBooks will ask for confirmation. When the prompt appears, click Yes to finalize the change. And that's it. You've successfully turned off a payment term in QuickBooks Online. This little step helps you keep your records clean and focused on only the terms you're actively using. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks tutorials and tips.